आज को मिशी वर्ल्ड संडे स्कूल with theme express in love gajinai. Jadi na kashin na share sangai kla jika what do we mean by express? Kala how is the idea of expression relevant to us as an individual, as a family or as a parent? Kata ada relevant sakla jumra min share sangai yang. Revrani tumli give track miait le. Kala give mikai wing jaili. One of the best gift is a gift of relationship. All of us here are in relationship. You are in relationship with your wife, with your husband, with your children or with your parents, with your friends, siblings, or with a community like Tangkhul Baptist Church in Bangalore. Kala relationship is important sana ye find ka igi bakla kala iwi mirinchi relationshiply or kala relationship with true in a form sayang. Iwe identity, iwe value, it never comes from inside. It always comes from outside in relationship with God or with others. Kala healthy salakai relationship build sangay or as an individual, as a family or as a community build sangay jaika express hagatay important salakay. Kala express or expression jika miyagawi kapaning miyagawi chukamatsu or miyagawi emotion or uklungwi to share sagatay gajiniyang. Kalajungutor, I want to point out two things on why we as an individual, as a parents, or as a church, or as a community, we should cultivate the habit of expression in our relationship. Point kanimang share sangay. Number one, we should cultivate the habit of expression in our relationship because the God we worship is a very expressive God. The fact that we know God is because He expresses Himself. Verani tumli inali leishie the awi otsak awi tuiena mahangni seja. How are we supposed to know that He loves us? Kala verana cha the express masani seja. Forget about knowing His love. Itum verali lam thaim re. Kala itum kipa akelimbam sam re. Kali tum na Bible ka pa tran kirelai sakla jika revrahi legacy na pemding hai revramang maning mane ka legacy pemding hai ji express sagathe revrana de tum relai sayang awi legacy ji awi mang lima tumbam or makumbam la itumli awi otsak or awi janhan lan hanina share sagathe revrana de tum relai sayang kala Bible ka pa tran is full of expression of God's love and care for humankind. In a way, it is a story of a lover in a pursuit of a loved one, saying, I love you, yang. Itong Bible pa kayang. Verani itong li awi otsa kaya nakatata awi legacy jang jitekla jika John 3:16 nagpisang tada. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. Jishui verani naumayan na itong nasitsang ka. Ana itong mangok twilitan laka itong hui kawai krustung ni tikimiji. That could be the greatest expression of God's love for us. What can we expect more than that? Verva we legacy ji, leishinai de tumbang no mira timere ji. Verva we hak mai tweak ji legacy expression ne itum ne realize ha pai ji nyang. Ka verva we legacy ji what sang mang in expression sam ne ka hi tuyen la. Word of encouragement, affirmation ne le tum li encourage sayang. Kala jishuna awi sakang tsili kahang kana wa tuiji kikla jika I will be with you till the end of the age. Kali encouraging sala kahai kala awi sakang tsiping na nganangai la kahai or nganangi la kahai ya tuine wo kiwana kla jika jishuna shi tui khang atam tran context kikla jika jishuya ra awi sakang tsiping li jihol ga zadure avana yaw go homana yaw li jihol ga zadhawi jda zadu yijne. On the other hand, awi sakang tsiping ji jiwi adam li jishui sakang tsagang sagi ji. It was very risky. Your life was at risk. You have to put your life at risk. Save masamne. Ngaji ngajam kahya adam ne yang ji ngaji ngajam la ene kapam adam li kahang tuine jishuna. I will be with you till the end of the age. On one hand, jishuna thaye atum ning so mi shon re yang. But Jishu he also realized that knowing is not enough. We need to express it. Kala jishuna tumni express sayang. Kali tumni mirin ngai ka when we go through hard times ka khanang ga chot ka chadadam chan. Don't we all want to hear such word of encouragement? iu family iu church no wang sa sami de leko chikta shadam tran itum ne kya kha encourage sam bangkhle kala itum ka khnang ka choda tam ni chikta tui shadam tran ka khnang ka chot khale la you feel like you can live again ka khnang ka choda lungli there's a hope you can live again chikta ning ji nali sang mi yang kala chi shuna awi sa khang cheping la hang hai tui I will be with you till the end of the age on one hand he is saying I will be there ka khnang ka chodra re but I'll be there for you you are not alone namang ka khnang chod ka adam tran namang maning ne da ka shaji how much that impact us as an individual when we go through difficult times kala chi shuna ka hang tui hi jingum thing ni hen da hang ai na ka ari ra shung da variation wivang special salang in a persecution ka show ka pamni ari hon ra shung da encouraging some tweet word ka ne ka khanang ka chot cha la persecution salala ji shui thum ning so mi jing de le ge ji shala ka we are able to move on as a Christian yeah now if the God we worship believes in expression that should make us think why expression is important in any kind of relationship. The God we worship, he believes in expression. He has expressed his love by sending his son in this world, by saying a word that encourages us. Now, your second point now, we should, as an individual, as a parents, or as a community, we should cultivate the habit of expression because expression is necessary for building an emotionally, spiritually, or psychologically healthy individual or community. Young. Imagine a society where you are not allowed to express your thoughts, your feelings, your emotion. What would your life look like in that situation? Chikta culture, chikta society lipam sani sija. Hilipam da khle ngala khui khai ka to ngala ma khui la single sa laga chot la ina pam dele re. Ita da. Yeah. The fact that you're married means at some point you have expressed your thoughts, your feelings. You have expressed your feelings, your emotion to your girlfriend. You must have said something to her like, "Api, yanglu kapungli chui de claim." You know, something like that. Jikta emotion express the magic kashok na yang. Chimang sani sija ina handa yang. Ita da iu hosteli ngiating li mang ina family laga. The pump la yang, the chot lang in the pump lay yang. Ngalakui how with the tag legend time yang. It will be nice if they say or express more often their emotion, their thoughts, and their feelings to their wife or their husband. Ngalakui how with the yang. Often we take it for granted. In a case, if there's a thing such as word or a language, it must not just be meant for arguing, fighting, or scolding. Itumili vervana sokmi language leka mili kharar vai kasrok vai tatang numuk vai maning lemre. It must be also meant for saying good morning, good night, how are you? You look beautiful. I will be there for you. Like Jesus said to his disciples, I love you, I miss you. Kaitum hikta ordinary words. These ordinary words, itum hili granted that acknowledge masamne or cultivate masamne yang. Kalamara khaliva, knowing is not enough. We have to express it. And chikta kateo words, kateo action that makes so much difference in our life. Yang kalitum mirindi yang when was the last time you said or you heard someone telling you, thank you for cooking. Thank you for working so hard and supporting. Mirin chot nae, ka you mirin in naklewang, iring pai. Or when was the last time you call up your parents back home, kala atumi ningishikmi, for raising us? Atumi mirin ji to mirin and ngayang, sing roli or sa chot lagetumni raisayang. When was the last time we called them up and we say, thank you for raising us? When was the last time, when was the last time you tell your children, when was the last time you thank them for bringing so much color, so much joy in your life? Imagine your life for a moment without children. We don't think about it. When was the last time you said? And when was the last time You ask your children, what do you think? The question, what do you think, has a very powerful message. We take it for granted. Every time every time we say that, what basically we're doing is that I have some ideas, I have some thoughts about certain things, but I also want to listen to you. What do you have to think? In other words, your opinion is important. You are respectable. You are important. What do you think we underlying message? Every time you ask someone, what do you, every time you say that, remember, you are saying you are important. Implication, message. As far as I remember, always it was always commanding. It was very rare when our parents or siblings or karanopingna we never asked that. We're a thinking being. We don't know how to formulate question. We don't know how to think. If you don't treat me like a thinking person, how can you expect me to become a thinker? Every society needs a thinker. Robot thinking mind use how will I ever become a thinker, which is a need of our society. Now, other than that, physical touch is also an expression. Do you words? I believe that those are very necessary. One aspect in the physical touch. Physical touch is an expression of care and love. Psychologists being emotionally or psychological or spiritually well-being, healthy physical touch. A touch by your child, your husband, your wife, your parents. Nali hagasa, nawe bangasing, nawe kuisam li khangrao, nali ngrao khangnao yang. He importance na idang Kai hili kapam bingkai ke ili disagree sa yang. He tha itu me culturally practice samne. Itu me handshake sa ka sabai re. Apang sing khangnao, kuisam li khangrao, vam ka kui practice samne yang. But we don't practice does not mean we don't need it. We don't practice does not mean it's not necessary for us. Touch, physical touch is a very important part of our life. Natum chita image now now amig mathaim ne mathada thinking process lamang warang yang ka avu apangita da sing tit laga kapam yang. That means that before you think, before you see, physical touch comes, and when you see that picture, something is going on there. Something is going on there. Because kala physical touch itumni ki convey you are loved, you are wanted. Kala psychologists being the knowledge that you are loved, that you are wanted is priceless. Kala itumi well-being, emotional, spiritual well-being wivang ji knowledge ji targa sai da atumna share sai yang. Itum gatong hi we're all broken in some ways or the other ways yang. Ilyang no jika itum gatong hi but the fact that we're able to carry on, move on every day, I believe is because of all these little words, little touches that we take it for granted. Those are necessary for our life as an individual, as a couple, as a family, as a community. Maybe what we want in our life, our family, our society, is not a bigger house, better job, or a better infrastructure. Maybe what we want, or what we really want, is to say or to hear all these little words more often. Thank you, I love you, how are you? Maybe we long for these little things. Maybe we want to live for it. But maybe we're looking for all these little things in something else. We must learn to live for ordinary little things in life. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.